Session 22. Unfamily. Sunlit Adventures. Max and Bun loved running in the sun. One day, they found a toy gun in the forest. Max imagined being a detective. They raced through trees, following a secret trail. It led to a radiant glade, where a running club gathered. Max and Bun joined the club. They made new friends and had lots of fun. Every run was filled with laughter and joy. The sun was their constant companion, shining on their adventures. They discovered that running brought happiness and togetherness. Max and Bun's love for running grew stronger. As they embraced the sun's warmth and the endless possibilities it brought to their lives. Now answer these questions. You can answer these questions in the comment box below. Question 1. What did Max and Bun find in the forest during their run? Question 2. Where did the secret trail lead them? Question 3. How did joining the running club enhance Max and Bun's running experiences? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share World Pointer.